Hey everyone, what is up? This is Latika and welcome to another video. This week's Alasami shoutout goes to Shweta. Thank you so much for your lovely comment this week. If you want to check me out on my social media platforms, here are all the links. Alright, welcome to this week's Honest Beauty video. For today's video, we are going to be deep diving into skincare. We are going to be talking about a newly launched range by Lakme and a very easy breezy routine that you can follow to get that healthy and glowing skin. The secret ingredient behind the entire routine and all the products that you're going to see is going to be vitamin C. I haven't talked about it a lot on my channel, but I basically started incorporating it in my skincare routine around a year back now, and gradually and slowly, skincare is a slow process, but it has worked so well for my skin. In fact, it is one of the ingredients which played the major role in changing my skin texture and making it just more healthy. So I am left, right and center recommending everyone to just try incorporating a vitamin C in their skincare routines. And in case you want to do the same, then we're going to be talking about today's range, which is Lakme's 925 Vitamin C Plus range. I have the dabba right here. It came in this really cute packaging. Oh, sorry, it's ulta. And I also decided to match my outfit today with this color. I was inspired by this beautiful color. It's very citrusy, very summery, and so I thought I say dress up hote aaj. The range has a facial serum, a day cream and a night cream, and we are going to be talking about them in complete detail, the ingredients, the pricing, the application process, everything. But quickly before that, just to give you an idea about the overall benefits of this range, the main one being it's aiming to give you healthy and glowing skin. It is suitable for all skin types. However, personally, I always recommend to do a patch test and to be very careful around your active acne or pimple areas. The range is packed with antioxidants and it is aiming to fight the problems of anti-aging, dullness, and thus thoroughly moisturizing and repairing your skin. So now that we have an overall idea, I think it's time let's get down to each product, the step-by-step routine that you can follow. Also, a huge shout out to Lakme. They have sponsored this video, but all the products have been tried by myself since I think weeks now. I have the range right here. You have the day cream, you have the night cream, and I have the serum ki bottle right here. Now the overall packaging is very travel friendly. First of all, बहुत lightweighted to carry and बहुत convenient है. And of course, as I said, the entire color, it just reminds me of summer. It has like a citrusy base to it, and even the fragrance of all of these products, it's very light, but it has that citrus hint which just makes me really happy, and it's just very mild and pleasing to apply. You have hints of like flowers, musk. Coming to the texture of all of the products, I will be showing them very closely soon, but just to let you know that it is very non-greasy and very lightweight, which is why it has instantly attracted me, especially for the summer season. The first product we're going to be talking about is the 95 Vitamin C Plus Facial Serum. This is what the bottle looks like. It's a really nice, compact, dark bottle. Now, the secret behind this serum is its ingredients, the main one being Kakadu plum. It has the world's highest source of vitamin C, which is why this is like a superfood for your skin, and it has 100x more vitamin C than oranges. It's a very powerful antioxidant, and this is going to help you target those problem areas such as dullness, improving the texture of your skin, and overall giving you that radiance and glow. So yes, overall in this serum you have an active vitamin C concentrate and vitamin E. Now coming to the texture and the application process, I'm going to insert a close-up right here. It is very lightweight. It is not greasy at all. In fact, I just did the texture application yahan pe, and this part of my skin is so soft right now. It is a gel-based serum, and all you have to do to apply it is to take small amounts, put it on your face and on your neck, don't forget your neck, and gently massage it in with circular motion so that it can get fully absorbed, and that's it. You're all good to go. I'm going to be mentioning the prices right here. The serum is for $549, which according to me is super duper affordable, and you can also avail a special discount. The coupon code will be linked right here in case you want to purchase, so save that money, guys. Moving on to the next product, which is the day cream or day creme, however you want to call it. So this is what the packaging looks like. Love that it's matching, And again, like I know I've been mentioning this, but the fragrance is very light yet very pleasing, which like is an instant thing that attracted me towards using this range, especially if you're like a beginner and you want to incorporate this into your everyday routine. Now this is enriched with shea butter and vitamin E. Now again, seeing shea butter on that really attracted me because it is one of those ingredients that is doing very well for me, like for my dry skin. It's very rich in antioxidants and hence is good for collagen production. This is again super simple to use. Massage small amounts of it in circular motions on your face and all over your neck. Super easy, super convenient, and just great for like a healthy glow on the go. Moving on to the third product, it's the 9to5 Vitamin C Plus Night Cream. Now the main ingredients of this one is glycerine and murmura butter, which is perfect to just leave overnight. They're going to moisturize your skin, repair your skin, and thus just overall improve skin texture and make it very, very soft, which all of us need this summer. To apply, all you have to do is take this on your fingertips, gently dot it all over your face and neck, and again massage it in nicely in circular motions. And this is priced at ₹400, which again according to me is a very good price point considering the ingredients. So those were all the products, and in case you are interested, in case the ingredients interest you, then I would highly recommend checking it out. I'm loving incorporating this into my summer skincare routine, and especially if you're a beginner, then the entire process it's super simple and it's an easy skincare routine to maintain. In case you're interested to purchase, don't forget to use the coupon code. As I said, it will be mentioned right here, and you will have the link in the description box as well, so you can check that out. And any other questions, queries, anything you have, or let's just chat in the comments box. I always love talking to you there, and I shall see you on Friday with a Fashion Friday video. Bye.